All right, guys, so if you remember a few months back, I told you I bought my first flip. Well, we still haven't touched it, but the truck is here. But I did buy one thing. This is our 2008 Cadillac Escalade chassis. That's all-wheel drive. We got to narrow it up. I seen somebody do it on YouTube. I wasn't impressed with the quality of work, so we're gonna do it, but make it badass. So we're gonna do this C10 all-wheel drive.
All right, Joey, how many inches did we just take out of this frame?
Well, according to old Google, that truck there's got a 115-inch wheelbase. This truck has a 130-inch wheelbase, so we took 15 inches out of it. Yeehaw! Good? Yep.
Sweet.
Will my cord reach? Yes, barely.
Yes, it will.
Barely.
So this is what we got going on our project today. So we got a 2007 Escalade frame, 130-inch wheelbase. We got a 72 C10, 115-inch wheelbase. We had to cut and take 15 inches out of the frame to shorten it up. So now what we're doing is we're getting our bed temporarily attached. We got our cab on. Rear cab mounts are made. My boy Davey over here, he's working on getting the bottom of my floor flat so I can get front cab mounts made. I'm working on the radiator support. I got the frame all notched, I got the new metal plates there. I just got to get them welded on, get the front clip back on it, and then build my radiator support mounts. But that's what we got going on today.
All right. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Big head dumbass douchebag.
Dingleberry.
Dingleberries.
Dimwit.
Hey Davey, grab some special for the door. Never mind. He went far enough.
Hey, Joey. Real quick, I know this is asking a lot. You mind bringing this in once you're done?
Cool.
All right, thank you.
No.
I didn't ask you, David, for a reason.
Douchebag David.
That's my name, gonna wear it out.
safe behind everything. Good structural support. Grab that little tape, Davey, so it don't get ruined. What's up, people?
All right.
Alright.
I'll be around. I'll probably take it off your head a few times, video you, and go from there.
Where's my gloves at? I hate when you use a fresh belt because then all the it spits it all down your sleeves and everything.
It's fun when you gotta get a close face and go like that.
I was all, yeah. And then your whole face is covered in shit. But my fender won't go all the way back because someone put a screw into it when the bolt hole's right next to it. Nothing wrong with the bolt hole.
Right.
And they snapped the screw off, so the screw's hitting the fucking metal, keeping the fender out. And then there's fucking, the whole bottom is Bondo. So I'm having to grind through that to get it to fit in there. So I'm trying to get the fenders bolted on so I can get the front lined up and get those mounts made.
Around 12:30, it started to rain.
Did it really?
Yeah, it rained for about 5 minutes. At 12:30 last night.
David, look at all this. This is all mud right here.
Is it?
Yeah. Ugh. All right, I think I got it all cleared out of there for the most part. Woo! Today needs to speed by.
Better than.
Oh!
It's basically Friday today.
It is our Friday. So yesterday, right? Every morning I get up. Nicole leaves before me, but no matter. Every morning when I get up and walk out my bedroom door, right? Cat is right there on the arm of the couch. Meow! Wanting me to feed it, right? Because she don't feed the cat before she leaves. I feed the cat before I leave. Yesterday morning I get up, open the door, it's like, where's my cat at? Calling the cat. Nothing. So all the doors in the house are closed, so I go through and I open every door, grab the cat food and start shaking it. Come here, Miss Luna. Nothing. I was like, well, Nicole let the dog out back this morning. Maybe the cat went out with her. So I go out back, I look. Nothing. Like, I ain't got time to search for a cat. Maybe she's hiding. So yesterday at 4:15, when Nicole finally gets home, she's like, yeah. She goes, my dad came over, let Blue out, then went to let Blue back in, and guess who's sitting on the steps waiting to come in the house? The cat. I was like, the cat must have got out when you let Blue out, because normally when I go let Blue out the back door, because right at our back door is a little desk.
Yeah.
And she hides up on the chair under the desk or down underneath it. And she'll wait for you to open the door. Sometimes she won't go out. Sometimes she just goes to the edge of the door and looks out and sniffs around, and then she goes back in the house. But she went out yesterday. Got left outside. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't need your hand outside bed getting it. Granny got the bottle, daddy had a gauge. I've been out here turning pain into rage. You flex online, but your corn feels plastic. Acting like a killer, but your clips are static. I'm the one that shows up.
Hold on, I'm gonna steal your air for a second over here.
I'm done with that.
because none of the other hoses reach to the front of that truck out there. I just need to blow all that fucking Bondo dust off the ground that I just made, so I'm not laying in it.
Did you guys weld this tubing?
Factory. I welded these plates on.
They look good. Showing off your welds.
Midnight shines, the sky drips black, echoes the screams as
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good luck reaching it.
I don't have to.
He's gonna hit it. Are you really moving?
Yeah.